Is your laptop computer just slow? Or in need of an upgrade of some parts? Not performing like it used to? Simple problems can cause serious damage. A laptop repair expert is what you need. Call Laptop Repair Sydney 02-8081-2555. Reasonable prices. Free quote. Fast service. Laptop Repair Sydney can resolve any laptop defects, and you can be sure your laptop will return to you in better condition. Whatever problem your laptop have, our technicians are experts in resolving them. Repair or replacement of parts, we discuss with you the best way to resolve your laptop problem. Our professional technicians are here to help. For quality service. At reasonable prices. Get a free quote. Call Laptop Repair Sydney now. 02-8081-2555. Our goal is to give you a 5-star service. Call us now. 02-8081-2555.